her to her word, and she holds me till I'm still. Revenge and resolve are up against the weakening will. She makes me forget the times I lose my head. She makes me regret every bitter word I've said. In her eyes I could get lost forever. In her heat I feel like the sun, but it makes me shiver when I feel the difference. It makes me shiver when she's gone. Without sense, and all the cages that we built, they're no defense. She is the prison that's holding me. She is burning up all the red I see. In her eyes I could get lost forever. In her heat, I feel like the sun,